Hello everyone. Today we're gonna give a very important lecture about performance. Performance of any organizations or institutes or firm. How we can improve the performance for the organizations. Now, since our topic under the project management is financial performance, then we're gonna go deeply from broad to narrow how we maximize the financial performance for any organizations. This is me, Dr. الهاشمي, specialist and doctor in project management, and all the detail we give in this class. Now, listen to me. Now, when we say we need to improve the financial performance for any organizations, it is mean our outcome, the things we need to reach, the financial performance. For example, if we refer to Sias organizations, Sias University, what we need to improve for Sias organizations, if we take Sias organizations or university as a case study, we need to improve the financial performance for Sias. Now, our outcome is financial performance, improve the financial performance for Sias University. Now, we should see from the case study which mentioned in the literature review how the organizations improve the performance for her financial performance. Now, if we refer to a recent work published by myself actually, and before I publish this, I do a lot of systematic literature review, and this paper published in Scopus journal, SCI, which I improve in this paper. If we need to improve the financial performance, which is our outcome, we should take several variables. We should take several variables like organizational contact. We improve the organizational contact for Sias University, and if we improve it, he's gonna directly affect the performance for the organizations to make it high. And another things, we take the technological contact and environmental contact. Actually, these three contact, organizational contact, environmental contact, and technological contact, it is called TOE model. TOE model. These three things, if we improve it in the organizations, we can improve the financial performance for any organizations or for Sias. Let's say, like one of shareholders now told me, Dr. Hisham, our organizations have very high technology. We apply the highest technology in the world. And our organizations, our building is very high class building. The environment, our environment itself, so high, so cool, as since you are a bachelor student, so cool. Why our financial performance is still not high? Like Sias University is not ranking #1 in China, or it is not compete with the top 100 university in the world. What can we do, Dr. Hisham, as you are a specialist in financial management? Then I gonna tell them this is very easy, which is published, the second paper I published directly before that, because when a lot of organizations apply this, some organizations succeed to improve the financial, some organization cannot succeed. Then when I refer to the way from the case study, from the financials, from the case study, from the systematic literature review, which is, I mean, the previous work to improve the financial performance, we go and see what is the shareholders do to improve the performance, the specialists, what they do. We found sometime they need to maximize the ability for this direct effect. What they take innovations. The organization should be innovations organizations, or it is mean organizational culture. The culture itself should be innovated. For example, we apply all this, but we don't have lecture, can give supervision to student together international student or master or PhD student. Then we cannot open PhD. Then we don't have lecture with high publications. Then he can or we can in Sias University open research center to maximize our publications, and default our rank gonna be improved. Then this called innovations, and we take these three things and we take the innovations gonna improve our direct effect and maximize gonna improve the financial performance for the organizations. Actually, this innovations called mediator effect. I don't go deeply about what is the meaning of mediator effect because this is for master and PhD level. I just need to you understand that sometime when we take several variables, several things to improve our outcome, maybe we cannot succeed. That's why we can't take another things, power this effect. And actually, this is the simple way when we need to seek out or figure out the way how we improve the financial performance for any organizations. Now, before I finish, actually, I need to say something very easy and simple. Everyone, when he need to draw framework, or when I told him, draw for me framework, he say, framework? What is a framework? Maybe it is difficult. A framework, what we do now, when we take the variable, these variables, and how gonna affect our need, our result, what we need to do, this called variable. This itself called framework. That's why next class or next lecture, I need from each student in this beautiful Sias University, give me one case study about what is the weakness he found, financial weakness in Sias, and how, which variable, take different variable, which variable he gonna take to improve this weakness in the financial performance for Sias, and he draw it for me as this framework or the conceptual model, same name. Actually, draw it to me like you found, take case study, you say now in Harvard University or in university in Shanghai, number 1 or number 2 in China, they have this. We don't have it, then draw it to me. Okay? Any question? My beautiful class. Okay? Next week, because this is not quite difficult, it's simple. This assignment, I'm gonna divide by group. Each 5 students do one assignment, then you can discuss, and afterwards you come here and do presentations and show me how you can improve the financial performance for Sias, which is the tools and the most beautiful assignment and powerful assignment. I gonna improve it to the student, to the group, and I will publish it in some higher ranking journal, Scopus and ISI, under the student name. I don't gonna put my name. I just gonna help you and publish it to you, which gonna be so powerful if you need to apply for your master and PhD. It is like gift for the most powerful assignment. Deal?
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you very much.